Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing ENGA, SBES, PLYN, MWWC, GAXY, AXXA, ICOA, and JPEX. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion and is meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer, insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, remember to smash the thumbs up button if you like this video. Also hit the red subscribe button and the little notification bell to be notified when we go live with a new video. Also leave any comments if you have any questions about stocks we want to cover or any stocks in this video. Also go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com. This is where subscribers get first look at stocks we're going to be covering. Stocks like ENZC at 0.014, ABML at 7 cents, ALPP at 7.5 cents, and HMBL at 0.027. And if you click on the symbol or the percentage gain, it takes you to our original profile, which is date and time stamped on insiderfinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. It works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 00. It will not work. And text messages are the fastest way to get our alerts. Many times we will do a text-only alert if something hot comes across our desk. And the best part is that both our text service and our email service are a free subscription service from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. Also included in your subscription is a free ebook. Click on the download ebook to get your free ebook, which is the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks. With that out of the way, let's dive in here, folks. Well, a lot happening on the OTC, and we could not be more excited. ENGA up 454%. There are just 24 million shares outstanding and 5.3 million shares in the float. Out with big news today. You can see MWWC UK, they are becoming majority shareholder in ENGA. Their CEO will be taking over as the new CEO of Engage Mobility. As they said, in connection with the acquisition, management will be changing the company's name and ticker symbol to represent the MWWC brand, subject to regulatory approvals. And at the same time, management does not foresee the need for a reverse split of Engage Mobility's common stock. He continued, we are committed to minimizing stockholder dilution, including maximizing our external valuation prior to raising additional capital. So this is certainly an exciting play. A lot of investors got excited, and it closed at the high of the day at 255. So definitely a big news day, and these are the types of catalysts that can really lift up the entire OTC market. So we're starting to see deals happening, press releases, M&A news. These are all great things happening on the OTC markets. So you don't need to focus on the stop signs or the gray market plays, these that are trying to get current, and these custodianships, these pink currents. There's a lot happening. And, who wants to deal with all that BS of dealing with, companies that are back on their filings, behind on their filings? Companies are just going to start signing deals left and right with these pink current plays. So as you see, ENGA, pink current information, verified profile, transfer agent verified, and shell. So, these are the types of mergers and acquisitions that are going to be happening, and it just goes to show you the types of moves that are possible in these types of plays on the OTC markets. Next up is another one, SBES, up 200% today. Karen Courier is involved, was involved with OWUV. SBES is going to be another metaverse play. Finalverse.org is what they're looking at merging with. There's talks of the deal happening here shortly, so you can go to finalverse.org and take a look at what's happening here. Metaverse plays are hot right now. OWUV, AXXA, been big winners for our subscribers. So, this is one sector that you need to pay attention to. Bill Gates was out yesterday. He said that most office meetings in the next 3 years will be happening in the metaverse. So exciting times, and no better place to be right now than in these penny stock meta plays. Next up is PLYN. Great day, up 86%. This is a 3.5 million market cap. They were out, they signed an MOU to acquire a global fintech company in the money transfer industry. The company that they are signing with is expected to achieve more than US $1 billion in transaction volume by 2023. They have an extensive worldwide network of partners and experienced management team in place. And this can create significant value for shareholders. So as I said, Pink Current, Verified Profile, Transfer Agent Verified, and Shell. Guys, these low market caps, low price plays, this is where you want to be. We've talked about, in the past, these other plays, which, $500 million market cap, $1 billion market cap. Right now, you want to be in these low flow, low market cap types of plays. These are the types that can get running overnight and see these big types of moves. For those of you that have been following my channel, or if you're new, I focus on what's working right now. I'm not trying to predict what's going to work next month, next year. I'm focused on where we can make money tomorrow, this week, next week, this month. In the short term, this is how you build wealth in the OTC. It's swing trading, getting in position, getting in before the crowd, and then riding these low float plays. So this is what we like, and this is our focus here at insiderfinancial.com. For subscribers, you can go over and sign up at signup.insiderfinancial.com to get full reports on these types of plays. Next up is another example. This is MWWC. This is just a $10 million market cap. This is a crypto miner. They are working on, they had put out a tweet today. If you have registered for the Minosis V3.0 launch, keep your eyes on your email boxes for updated access credentials today. New SSL and DigiKey security features. So this types of news is what really propelled the stock up 69%. So, these are the things you got to follow. You got to be following the company's social media channels. A lot of news updates get posted there that are not official press releases. So you really got to keep your finger on the pulse. If you don't have time, make sure you're a subscriber to insiderfinancial.com. This way we can also keep you updated on the latest updates from our plays. Next up is GAXY. This was a big runner earlier in the year. Quieted down, starting to climb. It has been up 70% over the past 5 days. This is what I call a bounce bottom play. I've been talking about this type of stuff in our videos. We had one yesterday, our Monday bounce bottom play up 34%. So great opportunities in these oversold names that can really get moving on very little volume. The selling is dried up. I think we're going to get the Santa Claus rally, and a lot of the tax loss selling is already done. So if you're going to sell your losers, the people that they've already done that. You know, they did that the first week of December. That's why we're seeing these bounces starting to happen. The selling is over. So this is why I really like the OTC right now. And this is the time that you want to get positioned for 2022 to make the big money. And GAXY, I mean, this is a QB trading under a penny. It doesn't get any better than that. They have a $24 million market cap. They're an educational play with new orders left and right, real revenues, great management team. This is just a quality OTC stock that you want to own. Next up is AXXA. This has just been a tremendous runner the past 5 days, up over 236%. Still has just a $33 million market cap. We are waiting on major metaverse news that we think will propel this stock much higher to the next level. I think if you look here, it was almost at 18 cents back in February. I think we're going to be there in the short, rather quickly, within a month or two. So we really like AXXA. They got a lot of catalysts coming out, and I think the momentum is definitely there that you want to keep playing. So AXXA is one that we really like, and this was out, you know, back in they put this out in November. I mean, they're on track for revenues for this current fiscal year, 49 million to 53 million. Their margins 15 to 20%. In 2023, they're targeting $100 million in revenue. That's just 16 months away. Net margins, same, 15 to 20%. So this company is just making all the right moves, great management team, and you know, just a $33 million market cap. This is just ridiculously cheap. And as you can see, it's not a shell. You know, they got a real business, real revenues. So, you know, this pink current, we're going to see this one uplisting to QB. And, you know, with these types of numbers, this one definitely is a NASDAQ-worthy candidate. Next up, folks, is ICOA. This one out with news today on Twitter. They settled and wrote off 1.76 million in convertible debt. Next milestone is the closing of the BGBF acquisition, which is the Bitcoin fund in Asia. So this is an exciting play. And one that we see going back to new highs. As you can see, this was a recent runner. Just in before October, it had reached 0.028, just under 3 cents. We see ourselves going back. We see ICOA going back there and onto new highs. As we like to say, penny, nickel, dime, quarters, dollars. ICOA definitely has enormous potential, and you know, we're going to see a lot more 10x opportunities like we did earlier this year. We think 2022 is just going to be a tremendous year. Everything has been beaten down. The 15C to 11, I think, really took a lot of the speculation out of the OTC. We saw you know, a lot of brokers couldn't trade or allow buying in a lot of OTC names with the stop signs that weren't current. They went to the gray market or expert market, and you know, it just really killed a lot of the enthusiasm. And you know, there was just a lot of FUD being spread, and it just created a lot of selling pressure. The market makers capitalized on it, pushed a lot of these stocks to very oversold levels. And we think that, you know, as things get moving again, you know, you're going to get the FOMO players coming back in, and this thing is the OTC is just going to rock. So going to be a great time to be playing the OTC. So make sure you are ready. Last up is JPEX. This is one that we've been talking about here. Also, Moon Market has been covering it extensively on their channel. This one, again, you know, just a $41 million market cap, 58% over the past 5 days. You know, they got the VMOS merger, V-Shield, payment processing. This is a great fintech play. No debt, no dilution, no reverse split, no toxic notes. It's just got everything that you want in an OTC. So, you know, take a look at what we have to say and also what Moon Market. He is a must follow on Twitter and also on his channel, Moon Market. With that being said, very happy with the action on Hump Day on the OTC markets. We're going to have more alerts for our subscribers. Make sure you are signed up at signup.insiderfinancial.com. Now is the time to take advantage of these mispriced opportunities. We got a lot of low floats, oversold plays that are going to bounce, and they are going to bounce hard and fast. So definitely, you know, make sure you are a subscriber at signup.insiderfinancial.com with your email, your mobile number, and be sure to get our free ebook. Thank you, everyone, for watching, and good luck tomorrow. Let's make some money on Thursday, and I'll be coming live to you again tomorrow with a new video. Thank you, everyone. Have a great day. Bye-bye.